Woo! Hello, Nick here from nickbouquetdrums.com and welcome to a re-upload of episode 17 of the Bouquet Breakdown series. The first version of this video was taken down because of a copyright issue, but I have re-edited it and it's all good to go now. In a moment, you are going to see my transcription and a breakdown of some of the fastest and cleanest shredding I've seen in a long time. For those people who saw this video 2 weeks ago, please like it and watch it through again so it gets promoted and prioritized by the YouTube algorithm. Okay, let's take a look at the amazing 16 bar section right now. That's incredible. My 9-year-old boy was watching Estepario's Dance of Eternity cover the other day. I hope I said that right. And he was making fun of me saying, "You will never get this, you will never get this. His hands are so much better than mine." Well, it's true, he's amazing. You should probably unsubscribe from my channel right now and go and follow him instead. His playing is so classy. But anyway, let's talk about his fill and my transcription. The transcription is available for free at nickbouquetdrums.com and you can find it in the PDF list under the Bouquet Breakdown series subheading. There are plenty of other lessons, books, and online courses there as well, so go and check them out. Okay, the transcription. When I transcribed this masterpiece, I slowed it down to 30% of the original speed and it was still difficult to see exactly what was happening. I also notated it in semiquavers instead of 30-second notes. It just looks heaps cleaner and it's much easier to read that way. There are definitely a few little mistakes in my transcription, and I added a few triplets in to balance things out when things didn't quite line up, which is totally understandable at that ridiculous speed. It's so good to see someone who doesn't use Beat Detective on their videos and their playing is so clean, raw, and precise. Let me know in the comments if you spot anything I've missed and send your corrections to my inbox on Instagram. There are a few parts, especially around bars 11 and 12, that were a bit suspect and I put those in yellow, but the chart works and I'm always open to corrections and changing my mind when I'm shown a better way. Like all of the episodes so far in the Bouquet Breakdown series, let's take a look at the section now with the transcription at 50% of the original speed so we can admire this beautiful playing in slow motion. Let's do it. Okay, that 50% version was amazing, but it's still a little bit fast, so I'm gonna slow it down to 35%. Any slower and it just starts to lose its sound quality and starts to get a little bit too messy. Let's roll it again at 35% and pay attention to how he transitions between the ideas and see if you can notice any patterns in his playing. That is most definitely the coolest fill on YouTube. It's more like an 8-bar solo, but you've got to admire his speed, skill, and precision. I'll probably make another lesson on this, applying some of the phrasing from this transcription at a later date, so subscribe to this channel and turn that bell on so you can see when I upload. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and tag Estepario in this transcription clip. Also, head over to his comment section on his video and tell him about this transcription. Okay, well, let's admire together Estepario's amazing fill one more time at full speed. And when you finish this video, go and check out the other 16 episodes of the Bouquet Breakdown series. There are heaps of other lessons on this channel as well, and transcriptions at my website. But let's roll the section now one more time at full speed. Let's do it. See you later. Bye.